Hello students, the topic is basic economic concepts. It is a basic economic activities. There are three basic economic activities: production, consumption, investment or capital formation. Production is any process that creates value to the already existing goods is called production. Consumption, it means the use of a utility of goods and services for the direct satisfaction of individual and collective wants. And investment or capital formation, it is that part of production during a period which is not consumed but served as capital formation for further production. The interrelationship among different economic activities is: from production we will consume the goods, from consumption our demand will be satisfied, and that will again generate to investment or capital formation. That investment will again lead to production. Now let us see the circular flow of income in different sectors. The two-sector model, it studies the circular flow of income between household and producing sector on the assumption that there are only two sectors in the economy. Three-sector model, it refers to the study of the circular flow of income among household sector, producing sector and government sector on the assumption that there are three sectors. It is a closed economy. And four-sector model, it implies the study of the circular flow of income among household sector, producing sector, government sector and foreign sector. It is an open economy. Now let us see the circular flow, which can be in two types: the real circular flow and the money circular flow. In the real circular flow, which shows the flow of goods and services from one sector to other sector, that is from household sector to producing sector to household sector. From household sector we are consuming land, labor, capital and entrepreneur, and we are the producing sector is again in return giving the goods and services to household sector. In the money sector, money circular flow, which shows the flow of money or an income from one sector to another sector, that is producing sector is occupying land, labor, capital and entrepreneur from household sector, and in return it is giving rent, wages, interest and profit to household sector. And the household sector is consuming the goods from producing sector, and the consumption expenditure is of goods and services is given to the producing sector. In this way monetary flows. Now let us see the estimation of national income. The national product or national expenditure can be estimated with the help of circular flow. GDP can be estimated by aggregating the market value of the final goods and services produced in a year. By adding to it net factor income from abroad, one can estimate gross national product. By adding all the factors of production in the household sector, one can calculate national income. Thank you.